The phrase two sides of the coin is a metaphorical expression that encapsulates the idea that any situation, concept, or issue has two contrasting perspectives, aspects. It suggests that there are often two distinct and interrelated aspects to consider, much like the two sides of a coin. This metaphor underscores the notion that comprehending the entirety of a matter requires acknowledging both its positive and negative facets. In essence, two sides of the coin reflects the inherent duality and complexity present in many aspects of life. Just as a coin cannot exist with only one side, various situations cannot be fully understood without considering their multiple dimensions. The phrase serves as a reminder that viewing a situation from only one angle can lead to a limited understanding or skewed perception. This concept is frequently applied to various scenarios, highlighting the contrasting facets that exist within them. For instance, progress and development often have positive effects, such as economic growth and improved living standards, but they can also bring negative consequences, such as environmental degradation or cultural shifts. Similarly, technological advancements offer convenience and innovation, but they can also lead to privacy concerns and job displacement. The phrase two sides of the coin also underlines the importance of adopting a balanced and comprehensive viewpoint when making decisions or forming opinions. It encourages critical thinking and the exploration of both benefits and drawbacks. This approach can lead to more informed choices that consider the potential implications from all angles. In interpersonal relationships, the concept of two sides of the coin applies as well. People are complex beings with strengths and flaws, and it's essential to acknowledge both aspects in understanding and relating to others. It reminds us that someone's actions or behaviors may have motivations or reasons that are not immediately apparent. In literature and storytelling, the idea of two sides of the coin adds depth and nuance to characters and conflicts. Characters often grapple with moral dilemmas or internal struggles that showcase both their positive qualities and their flaws. These complexities create engaging narratives that resonate with audiences. In conclusion, the expression two sides of the coin embodies the notion that virtually every situation, idea, or issue possesses contrasting perspectives and aspects. It emphasizes the importance of considering both positive and negative facets to gain a holistic understanding. By acknowledging this duality, individuals can make more well-rounded decisions, appreciate the complexity of various matters, and approach relationships and challenges with greater insight and empathy.